Case. The Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. When we visualize it, we find it spontaneously. In this same way, you must understand that this exists within us all. In the heart essence of self-luminous wisdom, we use self-originating sounds for our recognition. We do not do anything. We settle into our natural state, and we succeed. We do not revert into following the trails of the sounds. We settle on the borders of our certainty. Everything is clear in the bodhicitta. Our awareness abides in our total entwinement. We listen to the one circle of clear light. Thusness is beyond sound. It is perfected in our hearts. Clear light and awareness are equal in their unity. At first we meet with our objective. We do not think about what follows. Everything is like that. A Vajraguru must discuss what the characteristics of our method of settling may be. Buddhas and sentient beings are one. Our delusional intellects attribute them to be different. It is sure that no more than one is present. We understand this without searching. It is spontaneously realized. There are those who have differences in their vehicles, and anyone who seeks for something among the heaps of precious jewels that are not to be hunted will attain their own reward as an omen. As an analogy, there is a crown jewel. One who works to please its owner takes part in its virtues and will attain whatever is appropriate. Wealth itself is the owner of the gems. It is not a part of them. It is spontaneously realized. We use the magnificent method of having no project or strife to understand what it is to be a great spirit. In understanding this, we abide within a wheel that is beyond strife. We are spontaneously realized, as is the light of the sun. Our own minds are a wisdom that is beyond extremes. A consciousness that uses extremes has nowhere to stay. If we do not have the resolve of an awareness of wisdom, Vajrasattva will rise up as our enemy. In the supreme bliss of uncontrived awareness, we are primordially free from both rejection and acceptance. The supreme heart of unmoving yoga is present in the experience of acting without grasping. This is not something we accumulate. It is not something we produce.